Fluent English Practice.
Hello, my dear English learner. Welcome to this relaxing English listening story. Today, we will learn English naturally while cooking. In today's video, we follow two friends, Emma and Daniel, as they spend a slow, peaceful morning cooking together. You will hear many useful kitchen and food-related phrases. You will learn English naturally simply by listening to this calm daily life story. Let's begin. It smells so fresh this morning. I love mornings like this.
Good morning, Emma. I brought some ingredients.
Oh, perfect. Come in. Let's cook together. So, what should we make for breakfast?
How about something simple? Maybe eggs and toast and a fruit salad?
Yes, that sounds great. Let's do that. Daniel, can you wash the strawberries, please?
Sure, I'm washing them now. The strawberries look fresh. They smell sweet.
Perfect. Put them in the bowl when you're done. I'll cut the apples. Can you pass me the cutting board?
Oh, here. The cutting board is on the counter. Here you go.
Thank you. I'm cutting the apples into small pieces. I like small pieces. They're easy to eat.
Yes, small pieces are nice. I'll cut the strawberries.
I'm turning on the stove now. The stove is on. I'll heat the pan.
Do you want scrambled eggs or fried eggs?
Scrambled, please. Scrambled eggs are soft and warm.
Great. Can you pass me the bowl?
Here you go.
I'm cracking the eggs. 1, 2, 3. I'm whisking the eggs. Do we have salt?
Yes, it's next to the pepper. Here.
Oh, thank you. I'll add a little salt.
I'm putting bread in the toaster. The toast will be ready in a minute.
Great. Breakfast is coming together nicely. The eggs are cooking. They smell so good.
Yes. Breakfast smell is the best smell.
Can you stir the eggs while I get plates?
Sure, I'm stirring the eggs now. Wow, it looks beautiful. So colorful.
Breakfast is ready. Let's eat.
This is delicious.
Yes, it tastes fresh. Good job, Chef Emma.
Oh, please, you cooked half of it. You have learned 4 new kitchen phrases already.
Wash the strawberries. Scrambled the eggs. Toast the bread. Stir the eggs. Easy. So, what should we cook for lunch?
Something simple but warm. Maybe vegetable soup?
Yes, vegetable soup is perfect.
Then let's start preparing the ingredients. We need tomatoes, carrots, onions, potatoes.
I'll wash the vegetables.
Thank you. I'll peel the carrots.
Can you pass me the knife?
Be careful, the knife is sharp.
Don't worry. I'll be careful.
I'm cutting the carrots into thin slices.
I'm chopping the onions. Oh wow, my eyes are watering.
Yes, onions always make me cry too. I'm turning on the stove again. I'll heat the pot with a little oil.
Can I add the onions?
Sure, put them in gently.
That smell. I love the smell of onions cooking.
Yes, it always feels like the start of something delicious. Now, let's add the carrots and potatoes.
Should I add tomatoes too?
Yes, add them now. We need water. Can you fill this cup?
Yes, I'm filling it now.
Great. Pour it inside.
The pot is getting full.
That's okay. It's soup. It needs water. I'll add salt, pepper, and a little bit of herbs.
Herbs make everything better.
Now we wait. The soup needs time to cook.
Perfect. We can clean up a little while we wait. Let's set the table.
Yes, plates, spoons, napkins.
It looks nice. Simple, but nice.
The soup is ready.
It smells amazing. Wow, warm and colorful.
Let's taste it.
This is so good. The vegetables are soft.
Yes, the flavor is perfect.
So today I learned chop the onions, peel the carrots, fry the vegetables, add some salt, pour the water, stir the soup.
And you made a great lunch.
Thanks, Chef Emma.
You're welcome, Chef Daniel.
Today I learned set the table, serve the soup, pass me the salt, enjoy your meal.
And you used them all perfectly. Thank you, my dear learner, for listening to this long, gentle English story. You learned real English for the kitchen, cooking, food, and daily life. Listen again if you want to practice. Shadow the sentences. Repeat the phrases. Let English become natural for you. And when you're ready, watch the next video and keep learning with me. See you soon, my friend. Take care and happy learning.